Hey guys, how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody is enjoying this beautiful weather. This video, I'm going for a drive. Actually, this morning, I've been out for an hour walk. Like, I've been walking like around the park. So I spent like an hour, and it's so nice. It's so beautiful because look at the weather. Look at this. The sun is stunning. And before that, I would like to shout out to all my subscribers and all my supporters. Thank you so much for all your support, especially the super chatters from Japan, Pagso and Chanelaki, and to all my members, and also Melody Marlindorf. Thank you so much also for your support. You always there for me. Classy Cookery, Bebek Podel, Cherry Canada Vlog, and Meras Kanay-chan Vlog, Kaganda 21 Vlog. Thank you so much. And also the rest of that I didn't mention. Ryan, the Syrian TV, Yoli Vlog. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for all your support. Alright, so I think I'm ready to go. So let's go. Alright guys, so let's go for a drive. As you can see, the clouds is beautiful and the road is so nice. is too narrow. Look at this, but it's really beautiful in here. This is I really love this place. But during the night, it's very dark because there is no light around. And we have to be careful right here. Give them some space. Oh my god, look at this. Beautiful. Really love this place. And I'm excited also during the fall because during the fall the trees here are very pretty. It changes into a different colors. There's a lot of trails also right here. Wow, look at this. And this road is going down to Dandas. Did you see that? You have to watch, because sometimes you cannot see the bikers like on the side of the road. Sometimes they went fast and then you can even see I see this squirrel crossing by. So I'm just gonna take you guys up to the end and I'm gonna turn around. The road in here is so rough. Alright guys, I'm going to turn around and back to the place where I went. It's a beautiful day today. It makes me happy. Okay. So I hope you guys are enjoying my trip. What I do on my day off, like out. I really love to go out to get some fresh air, go for a nice walk. Oh, this is also done as Mali. Yeah, so I really love to go out and because the summer is very short and we don't have enough time. And then I work full time, and then on my day off, it takes only just like that, it's fast. So that's why I really want to go somewhere, adventure. That's what I do. And this morning earlier I had a nice let's go and enjoy the bumpy road. It's so bumpy here, but it's so beautiful. You can see the trees. I love nature. Hey, did you see that? Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy road. Day. Nice drive. Very nice weather so far. You know, we are in summer, right? I hope you guys feel the same thing, that, you know, we need to be enjoy. We have to enjoy life, because life is short, and we need to have, you know, like memories, you know. going down to the lion is the outer pole. So I'm just gonna go see if it's open, and maybe I can go for a swim. Maybe one day I can go for a swim, because I love swimming. Really miss swimming. Okay. Almost 11 o'clock. I have a good spot. Okay. I'm arriving here now at the Lions Club outdoor pool, but it's closed. Too bad. Anyway, I'm gonna take you down to the forest and just go and have adventure. Just gonna leave my bag in here. So that's the Lions up. I see the butterfly. Oh my god, look at this, so cute. Wow. Butterfly is so cool. I used to climb up on this branch. So big. See? Yeah. My God, look at this. I see only one guy in here with his dog, and after that there's no more, there's nobody. Oh my God, such a beautiful place in here. Wow. It's so relaxing. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Look at this beautiful place, guys. It's so quiet. Right there. I didn't see nobody. And this side, there's nobody. Who knows, maybe the deers will come. Look at this. Look at this. Right there. Wow. The trees are very tall. Guess what? I don't know what is this. I wonder what is that. I don't know what is that. Wow. Okay guys, so I have to keep walking. Oh my God, I really want to live in here. I wish I could have a small house and then surrounded with some flowers, or you know, and then you also have like animals. I wish. There's a little path in here. Let me go this way. And look at this water. love this sound in here. Another flowers there. Here comes the white roses. Ooh, look at this. Alright guys, I'm almost half an hour walk from this place, and I see some people with their dogs, and so I'm fine. It smells good in here too. It smells so good in here. I love the smell. Oh my god, look at this in here. I think maybe that's the roses. Probably this one. Let me smell this one. These flowers smell so good. I want to get some and take it home. Oh my god, it's so good. Wow.
If I can't be with you, I'd rather be by myself. No, I can't lie, I don't want anybody else.
is huge. There's people in there, so I'm not alone in this area. Oh my god, look at this. I'm gonna go to the teepee. Alright. Oh my god, look at these roots. Oh, it's a vine. Yeah, it's a vine. Oh my god, so nice. Oh, I remember guys, that I went here in the winter time. No, not winter time, springtime. That there's another porch in there, and somebody, it's been destroyed, and then maybe they put some woods right here. So as you can see that there's more in here, and I used to walk on that branch right there. I went on top and then walk from there and then to the end. Oh my god. Wow, I can swim. This is a nice room. Oh, beautiful. Wow, this is so amazing. Very nice in here. Look at this one. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna go back to the car. Water there. Oh wow, this place is kinda tricky. I hope there's no snake in here. Okay, I just wanna go see the, oh look at this. Probably there's a snake around, but I'm not gonna stay here. I'm just gonna see. Look at this. Oh, somebody built a teepee. Wow. This one looks like a rug, and there's a piece of sticks. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. I'm just gonna go this way. This way. Come and walk with me, guys. It's pretty in here. Oh, spook. And there's a bench right in the corner in there. Okay guys, so I think this is it. This is the end of my video. I'm going home now because I'm so hungry. I didn't eat breakfast and I got some plant. So this is the wild rose, that the flowers, oh my god, I really love the flowers. Like the smell is so good. Yeah, so I'm gonna plant this one in my backyard. See? Yeah, I get a plant. Oh my god, it's so nice in here. I really love the sound of the water flowing down.
It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Oh, so hot.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high. I hope I'll be your
Alright guys,
destination.
that was a long walk. I really enjoy. Wow, too much walking today. I love it. Now I'm so hungry. Alright, so I think this is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it and enjoy my driving and walking also in the forest. It was amazing day. And I'm so tired right now and hungry. Whew. So yeah, so see you on my next one. Bye.
All the things, all the places. I hope it means that you come home to me. Once you travel,
Oh, nice cold air.
inside your heart.
Alright guys, let's go for another drive. Going home.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down. I hope I'll be your destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. You're up in space. You're beside the
Alright.
noise. I can feel you.
What time is it?
Once you
At least
see
about
all the
1
things, all
o'clock.
the places. I hope it means that you come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.